Drop it.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we like to discuss about engineering ethics and Oshe. So I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nazirul bin Said. My metric number is B0717180894.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Syabil bin Basri and my metric number is B0717102007.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Izzat bin Azman and my metric number is B0717101551.
Right. Okay, today we'd like to discuss about question number 1, which is the role of OSH legal requirement in business management. Okay, the first question I would like to ask Izzat Azman. Right. Okay.
Okay.
We are currently developing an OSH management system for our company. What are the elements and process we need to bear in mind?
Okay, so safety and health in the workplace is a shared responsibility. Employees should provide workers with safety-related information and training in order to make sure they have understood the risk involved and the relevance of the safety measure taken, including the use of PPE. So the worker in turn should apply the safety measure, including the use of PPE. So both manager and workers should accord highest priority to the principle of prevention.
Right. Thank you for your answer. Okay, the next question I would like
Thank
to
you.
ask Syabil. Okay, the second
Alright.
question is, must a company accommodate religious belief which hinder wearing of personal protective equipment, which is the beard which interfere with safety mask, head covering which prevent wearing of safety helmet?
Okay, basically religious discrimination includes distinction made on the basis of expression of religious belief or membership in a religious group. Although discrimination on the basis of the religious belief should not be permitted, there may be legitimate basis for imposing requirement in the workplace which restrict the workers' freedom to practice a particular religion. Enterprises are encouraged to make reasonable effort to accommodate particular religious customs. Workers, in particular, thought their representative should be consulted on possible steps which could be taken to accommodate religious practices.
All right, thank you for your answer.
Okay. So Nazirul, I would like to ask you some question.
Yes.
Is it acceptable practice for a company to fire a worker on the spot without a second warning for failure to wear PPE?
All right, I would like to answer your question. Okay. A worker should not be fired for misconduct that under national law or practice would justify the termination only if repeat one or more occasion, unless the employer has given the worker appropriate writing warning, while an employee may be validly dismissed for his or her misconduct, such as the violation of work rules related to safety and health. Steps should be taken to ensure that employees are aware on their obligation and consequences of violating the work rules. All right. So, all right. I add some more. Everyone from individual worker to national health system loses about when OSL is enacted, but this means that everyone can benefit from better policies and practice. Okay, countries with poor workplace safety and health system use valuable resource dealing with avoidable injuries and illness. A strong national energy lead to numerous benefits, such as the first one is improved productivity through less sickness absence. The second one is cutting healthcare costs, keeping older workers in employment, stimulating more efficient working method and technologies. And the last one is reducing the number of people who have to cut their hours to care for a family member. All right. So next we go to
Okay.
the question B. Alright, which is the
Okay.
question is occupational safety and health act in Malaysia and its salient features. So I would like to project to answer the question.
Okay. So first is when the about the surrounding. There are many employers who does bother about their surrounding hazard, but it is important to observe your co-employers' worker circumstance. Once you get to know about the particular hazard that occur at your workplace, then it will help you in reducing the risk and allow you to take the precautionary step. So the second is reduce workplace stress. So most of the employees are not fit and healthy because of their busy schedule, which include long working hours, work pressure, and conflict occur with CO worker or with the boss of the organization. And all of this can lead to some illness or depression to the employers. Also that this is not only affect their professional life but also create the nuisance in professional their professional life. So instead of waiting to get unfit, it is better that you start care about your healthy by taking regular break, sit in appropriate posture with appropriate diet. It will be better for you to schedule your workplace according and manage the thing to reduce your workplace stress. So the third is used to appropriately take appropriated precaution while using machinery or any other tool instead of taking any shortcut. So taking any shortcut is one of the bigger reasons behind workplace loss. It biggest safety risk to use scaffolding as a ladder or one tool instead of another for a particular job. So it is always recommend to use the correct tool and reduce the opportunity of workplace injury. So that's for my answer.
All
Okay.
right. I would
Okay.
like to
All right.
Syabil to answer.
All right. Next is the number 4 is keep the crisis exits which are easily accessible. In case there is an emergency, you will need a quick access to the exit. It also advised to keep a clear usage of equipment shut off, which might stop you from performing an emergency. Next is update your supervisor about unsafe condition. What it means is it is important that you keep and updating your supervisor about the hazard or risk occur at the workplace. Okay, they should be legally obligated to ensure that their employees are working a safe environment or not. And in case if their employees are not working in safe condition, then it is the responsibility of the supervisor to listen and understand their condition and create safe working environment for employee. Okay, and last point from me is use mechanical assistant. Whenever you want to carry up or lift up some heavy equipment, then you should use a conveyor belt, crank, or forklift. There are a lot of risks involved. If you are trying to lift something which is heavier, it can affect your weighing capability and can lead to someone muscle displacement. So make sure that use the appropriate tools for not harming yourself.
All right, thank you for your answer, Syabil. Okay, I would like to add some more, which is the first one is stay alert. There are many employees who usually compromise or ignore the alert of advance warning, and due to this, a number of workplace injuries and fatalities occur. So the number 8 is reduce workplace environment stress. Stress to many employee or to any coworker can lead into depression and into construction problem. And the reason include extended working hours, excess of work, insecurity of job and issue which occur at coworker or professionals. So instead of taking stress on your shoulder, You should discuss it with your supervisor and ask him or her to look after your problem, which is you are facing in the organization. All right, the last point that I want to add in, which is wear the right safety equipment. It is essential that you wear the right protection equipment tools during your work. And the equipment can be in any form like earplug, earmuff, head hat, glove, full face mask, safety glove, and other equipment which is required to wear while working. This tool will prevent the worker from the incident that occur at the workplace. All right, that's all for me. All right, I would like to end our discussion. Before that, I would like to say thank you for all your answer. All right, thank you for your answer, and I
Okay,
end this
welcome.
discussion.
Thank you. Thank you.